In this quick video, I'm going to explain how to fix or repair a flat tire on your Tesla. Whether you've got a Model 3, Model Y, Model S, or Model X, here's what you can do if you encounter a flat tire. First, pull over to a safe location and engage the parking brake. Locate your Tesla's spare tire repair kit, which typically includes a portable air compressor and sealant. Most Teslas don't come with a spare tire but are equipped with these tools for minor repairs. Remove the affected tire using the lug wrench and jack provided in the trunk area under the floor panel. If the puncture is small, like from a nail, use the sealant to temporarily repair the tire. Connect the compressor to the tire valve, inject the sealant, and inflate the tire to the recommended PSI. Check your owner's manual. This solution is only temporary, so drive cautiously to the nearest tire shop for a proper repair or replacement. If the damage is severe or the tire cannot be repaired, you'll need to call roadside assistance or Tesla's mobile service team. They can replace the tire or tow your car if necessary. To avoid future flats, regularly check your tire pressure using the Tesla app or the car's touchscreen display and inspect your tires for wear and debris. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more Tesla tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and stay safe on the road.